welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram verification code not received. So let's say you're trying to log in into your Instagram account, or you're trying to change the password or do anything which requires Instagram to send a verification code to your device, but you're just not receiving the verification code. Well, today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix this issue. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to see if your internet is slow, because if your internet is slow, then you're not going to receive the verification code. So check if your internet is fast or not. You can just go on YouTube and play a video. If the video is playing slowly or it's like loading in the middle, then it's basically your internet connection. And the second thing is, make sure that your network is really stable. So let's say like you are receiving your verification code on your SMS, but you are not receiving any network. In that case, your network issue is the problem. So make sure you're in a place where there's enough network. As you guys can see right beside my Wi-Fi signal, it shows my network signal as well. It's pretty good. So I should receive my verification code over here. But in your case, if the network is like only one or like is not even one stick, it's a network issue. And make sure your phone is not on airplane mode as well. And the next thing is, make sure you're not trying to do this again and again, because a lot of people try to receive verification code 6 or 7 times within an hour. If you do that, Instagram will think that someone is trying to hack into your account, and then it's going to disable your verification code for 24 hours. In that case, the only thing you can do is wait for 24 hours, and after 24 hours try again, and you should receive the verification code. And another simple hack which I learned is, if you're not receiving any verification code, just hold on your Instagram icon, click on remove app, click on delete app, and click on delete. Now once you delete your Instagram app, reinstall it again. Sometimes just deleting and reinstalling your Instagram app fixes your issue. So this should fix your problem as well. That's how you guys can fix your Instagram verification code not receiving problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.